Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me go through everything we've done so far. So we have our Django app and MySQL server, uh, and we were able to access MySQL DB using the private IP address. So, but this time we are not using private IP address, but we are using so. But this video we will be using network load balancer, and we will configure our Django app to use DNS name of network load balancer. So this is going to be very exciting. So let me first connect to my Django app server, which is this one. I just need to get the public IP address, and I can simply SSH to it. Let me make it and Ubuntu this. Okay, something it changed, I guess. Okay, I need to add again. Just give me one more moment. Add download my KPI. Now after this I can just do this and I should be able to access. Okay, so this is where we are. Let's go inside this folder, and okay, so we can run this Django application, but right now it's using echo dv host. It's using, okay, this is, I'm sorry, this is, I need to change this. Okay, bummer. Okay, I'll go and create network load balancer now. So what do we do first is create a target group. So let's create a target group. So target type is instance, and let's give it a name, target group name. Target group is MySQL DB server. So MySQL DB server target group, and the protocol should be TCP, and the port is the default port of MySQL server 3306. That's very important. And the select VPC is the VPC, and health check protocol is a TCP now, and next. So we need to select our instance that we want to make a member of our target group, which is MySQL DB server. So I will just select that one, make sure that this is the right port, and include as pending. Then create target group. Our target group is successfully created. Let's go and create the network load balancer. From here we can create load balancer. This is not network type, and let's give it a name. So let's give a descriptive name for this load balancer. This is network load balancer for balancer before MySQL DB. So it is internal, and select the VPC, and select this private subnet 1 and select private subnet 2. We can select both private subnet 1, private subnet 2, and then can select the security group from here. Our security group is network load balancer security group we created earlier, and a listener. This is very important to select. We must select TCP and the port on which this listener will listen. So we know that our Django app tried to access on a port 3306, so we need to make sure we listen on that 3306, and select the target group from here, and just go ahead and create load balancer. View load balancer. It will take a while to provision this load balancer. I will pause my video now and I will get back once it is available. Okay, so network load balancer is ready now. We can see it's active. So I'm going to grab this DNS name of the network load balancer and try, see if we can access our DB running behind this network load balancer. So first thing I would like to do is just see ns lookup just to see what we get. We get here 2 IP address. You see just the name, DNS name, and it's giving this IP address, and again the name and different IP address. Actually these IP address are the node that network load balancer created in each enabled availability zone. So this is a very good sign. So it will this is what we need to get going. So we can, let's see if we can access our server, if we can access our DB from using network load balancer. So what will I do is I will simply run MySQL -h and provide this, and user is app and the prompt for the password, and enter password is PASSWORD. We see we have access to our MySQL DB, which is wonderful. So we can exit out from here. And one more thing, if we don't want to connect, because right now there are, as you can see from ns lookup, there are actually two it's okay, I think it's cross zone traffic is disabled by itself, so we don't need to worry about now at the moment. Let's go ahead and configure our Django app to use a network application network load balancer DNS name. Okay, so we need nano, we need sudo for that, sudo nano home ubuntu.bashrc and go all the way down, and we just need to upgrade this one here. This one was I created earlier, and for some reason I have to recreate the whole video, so I'll update the new name here. So we have DNS name here, and I will just Control O, hit enter, Control X, and upload this config now. Source home ubuntu.bashrc, and see if you can access that one. Echo $db host. Okay, so now everything seems right. Now let's run our Django application. So let's first enable our turn on our virtual environment, source benb bin activate, and we can run gunican, use gunican to run Django server. So gunican -- bind 0.0.0.0:8000, and we need to provide the name of the Django project, which is tcrm.wsgi application. So it's running, as you can see. So let me see if we can access this application. So what I do is I will go to my instance and our app server. I will grab the public IP address and try to access http control V and :8000. As you can see, app is available. Now we can see the app, the login interface, and let me log in. Praveen and we can definitely log in. That's a good thing. So now we have just our Django app stored data or connected to the MySQL server using network load balancer. So this is very this makes our application actually highly scalable and highly available. Okay, so now we have finally used network load balancer to do this configurations. So in the next video, I would like to show you guys how to use, actually right now we are running our application here like this. I would like to show you how to use systemd to manage our service so that we can start and restart or reload our Django applications just using systemctl command. So see you in the next video. Thank you.